So is it better to invest in the stock market or in real estate? Hello, I'm Justin Woodall with Woodall Realty Group at EXP, and today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of the stock market versus real estate. Now, when the stock market's doing well, people love investing in it. They love putting 401k money, and they love seeing their portfolios grow when things are doing well. But we're in May of 2022, and we've seen the stock market plummet over the last few weeks, and it just seems to continue dropping. So that's when people start to evaluate, is the stock market the best place to invest my money? And of course, it's a great time to probably buy into stocks. You get the dollar cost averaging, and so you don't want to only buy when it's high, you want to buy when it's low. But the stock market's constantly up and down over a series of years, and right now it's going down. How does that compare to real estate, and what do we see in the real estate space? So obviously I'm in real estate, so my preferred investment is real estate, but I want to tell you why. So when it comes down to real estate, number one, you have more control over the real estate, the asset itself, as opposed to a stock. When you own a stock, you just own a share of a company or some shares of a company, and it's up to the CEO, the leadership team, whether that stock goes up or down. And then there's just the market in general on whether that stock goes up or down. If you're invested in an index fund, you've got a lot of stocks, it's the same thing. It's going to travel with the market. Real estate, on the other hand, generally goes up. It could go down, and it did several years ago. It did go down. It has recovered, and it's back now. But regardless, what I love about real estate, regardless of whether it goes up or down, but the real estate pays you every single month when you have a tenant in place. And what I'm speaking of is income producing real estate, not necessarily real estate as far as your house or a vacation house, your primary house. That, sure, that's a great investment. Could be a great investment if it appreciates and grows your wealth that way. But what I'm referring to is income producing real estate, where you buy a piece of property and you rent it out to a tenant. That tenant makes a payment every single month to you. So you're making money every month, regardless of whether that property goes up or down in value. In addition to that, you have tax advantages in the forms of depreciation, where you pay less tax because you can depreciate the rental house. And if you have a loan against that rental property, then you can deduct that interest from your taxes. So there's tax advantages along with the real estate as well. But what I like about it best is it pays me every single month, whether the market is up or whether the market is down. Unlike the stock market, the real estate market is not as volatile. It doesn't go up and down constantly. It tends over time to travel up, and if it does go down, it would only be for a small season or for a short period of time. So hope that's been helpful. If you don't own investment property and you're thinking about it, reach out to us. We have agents that are experienced investors, experienced with working with investors, and also we have an arm of our company that does property management. So if you're thinking about investing in real estate in the Athens area, reach out to us. We can help.